Get it, Cooper. Right there, Jeff. Play about right there, right where their coach is. Stop, Eli. Stop. Joe, get more screens too.
Get it, Jeff! Get it, Jeff!
Jeff. Oh, good shot. There's more action than I thought.
Get up there. Jeff. Hold it. Good screen, Cooper.
Good.
There you go, boys. There you go. Gosh, this is hard.
Cooper, awesome screen. Go, Ray. Good job. Good hustle, buddy. Got it, Brian. Good. Coming in the middle, buddy. Hey, God, come on. There you go.
Nice job, Cooper. Way to get there. Way to come out, Jeff. There you go. Hands up. Hands up. Nice job, Eli.
There you go. Stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it. There you go, Eli.
Nice job, Eli. Cooper, way to be straight up. Nice job. Good D. Good D.
You got Tyson underneath, wide open. Go, Ty, move.
Good job, Eli. There you go. Help each other.
Good job, Jeff. Look up. Foul. There you go.
Good job. Put him in. Put him in. Colin. Jeff, Colin. Jeff, Colin.
Oh, it's a shot.
Jeff, Colin.
I think it was before. Nice job. There you go, boys. Good job.
Push it. Right there. Go.
Look at you, arguing foul. Come a long way, love. Come a long way.
Good job, Joe. There you go. That's right on. Get in position. Go, go. Nice, Rado. Good job, Cooper. There you go.
Oh, follow it. Battle. Good job, Jeff. Good rebound. Nice job. Good D, good D. Let's go, boys. Big rebounds. Rebounds.
Put it in, Joe. Good shot.
There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. D. Contest. Hands up.
Hey, that's the D right there. Big one there. Get in front, get in front.
Don't give up.
Stay on it.
It's all right. It's all right.
Right there. Play the guy, not the ball. Play the guy.
Pressure on.
Let's go, boys. Hands up. Push it. Push it.
There you go, Jeff.
Hey, good job taking it to the rim, Jeff.
Nice, Ripken. Get down, get on it, get on it.
What's that?
Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, man?
Good job, boys. You got 5 seconds.
5 seconds. Back it, go. Rebound.
Come on, boys. Rebound.
Turn around, guys, turn around. Go down, Blake. Blake, go all the way, right there. There you go. There you go. Nice. Nice, kid. Okay, call it. Blake. It's our ball, Blazer.
Nice job. Good play, boys.
Wait, let's bring it down to 1. Bring it down to 1. Play tough. Tough. Hands up, tough.
Nice job, Cooper. Way to get there. Way to be.
Hey, get in position right now. Go. Blake, down. Blake, watch him. Down low. Okay. Rebound. Go rebound. Blake, get in front of 26. There you go. Hands up, Blake.
Oh, what?
Go, guys. Good defense.
Just catch it, boys. It's all good. Keep it up.
Blake, get a hand out. Rebound, rebound. Nice. Blue ball.
Yeah, blue ball. There you go.
Good job, Blake. Good job. Nice. Good help. Good help.
Hey, way to play tough, Coop.
Blake, foul line. Rebound, rebound. Good save, Blake. Hey, work it around. Good shot here. Good shot here.
Okay, get under the hoop, boys. Get under the hoop. There's 4 of you out.
Good job, Garrett. Oh. Get back, get back. Get him up, Blake. Good job. Tough. Behind you. There you go. Watch 26. Garrett, get it. Get up there. Blake, let's go. Watch Sam.
Nice job.
Go.
Go, 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 go.
Follow, Blake. Follow.
Who is the kid?
There you go, Blake. Guys, get down on it. There you go. Nice job, guys. That's 23. Blake, that's a good foul. That's good. Okay, rebound. Cooper, it's coming right to you.
Let's go, boys. Here we go. It was 1-on-1. That was a live ball, and they didn't play it like that.
Made it. You got ball. To the middle. To the middle. Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah, stay there, buddy.
Go, Jeff.
Nice job. Good hustle, guys.
Hey, come on!
Hey, play 3, Jeff. Blake, you're up. Blake. Blake, spread your feet. Nice. Good job, Jeff. Way to be there, buddy. 1-1.
That's 3 on 27, coach.
All right, Jeffy boy, here we go. Focus.
Go, Jeff. You practicing.
That's good. It's amazing what happened. You know what I mean? It's doing good.
Blake, go running in there. Go, go.
Oh, come on, guys.
Nice shot. Back up.
Oh. Come back, come back. Good job, Rado. Behind you, Blake.
You're ready. Good, Jeff.
Good rebound, Jeff.
Good job.
Nice pass, Jeff. Go, snap that. Set your feet, guys. There you go. Oh.
we go. It's a shot. Good job, Coop. Down here. Yeah, be on the other end. Good job, Richard. Good hustle. It's a good game now. It's a battle. All right, Jeffy boy, here we go. Be ready. You're doing great. Why did they just pick up a little guy? Doesn't make sense.
Put it in, Coops. Rebound, guys. Rebound.
Go, Eli.
Get that one.
There we go, and the shot. Hey, way to battle, way to battle.
Go, guys.
Good form. Good form.
It is ghost work, I know.
Blake, go in there. Big rebound. Go. Blake, rebound.
Okay, it's live. Let's go, Jeff. Get this ball. Coop, follow it in.
Yes.
Nice shot.
Stop,
Okay, ball. Go.
Yeah, after the inbound, get in post. Yeah. Set your feet. Good call, buddy. You're with him. Good job, Eli. Rebound. Get him. Get down there, Blake. Go. Nice. Oh! Nice, Blake. Good job. Good job. Yep. That's a good job. What's up? Big rebound.
I think first foul. Because he's up.
Big rebound.
No.
Get it.
Right.
Go get it, dude. Go get it. Go get it.
Go, Joe.
Tough, guys. Tough. 20 seconds. 20. Wait, behind you.
Good job, man. Good job.
Joe, you're low. Joe, you're low. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10. Go.
Okay, tough D, boys, tough D.
Hands up, Blake. Hands up. Get ready. Go. Hands up. Nice, Eli. Hands up, Blake. Hands up. Good job, Jeff. Kids, lean over. Get over. Okay, look at your guy, look at your guy.
Go, Ty.
Be tough. Right there, get it on.
Yeah. Guys, don't give up on it.
Here we go, guys. Here we go. Take it out. Eli, push it out. Eli, take it out. Yeah.
Let's go, Ty.
Go get him. Go get him. There you go.
Nice job. Good play, Jeff. That was good.
Here we go. Eli, pressure. Go. Let's go. There we go. Nice. Oh, no.
Hands up. Hands. There you go, Jeff. Nice. Good job, boys.
Eli, take it out.
Sorry.
Ball got passed in.
Over there. The one time.
Go. All pass. Take it in. Joe. Hey, CJ. Come on, there you go, Eli. Oh, wow.
Yeah. I think that's 4 and 27.
Good job, Eli.
Nice shot, Eli. Good shot. Good shot.
Good shot, Eli. Put it in.
All right, Jeff and Coop, here we go. Be ready. Put it back up.
Big shot, buddy. You got it. Go. Pressure ball. Eli, you ready?
Nice. Good job, Jeff. Way to take it to the hole.
Let's get the job on the pair first.
Nice take, Jeff.
Yeah. And Jeff?
Put it in.
It's all right. No worries.
You got it. Put this one in.
Try it in.
Okay, Jeff, follow it.
Big rebound, Gooch.
Nice job, Cooper.
Jeff, way to chase him. Excellent. Here, rush your ball. Stay there, Joe. Now, now, now. Go, Jeff. Nice job. Yeah, good to see you there, buddy. Hey, right there, buddy. Here, go get it. Go, take it. Good hustle there. Defense, 23, come on, go. Joe, here we are. Physical.
Nice.
Lay up.
Take it, you got it. Come on, get under there, boys. I think you pushed. I don't know. I think you pushed. It's hard for me to tell sometimes on the screen.
I'm pretty sure this is the same one I took out.
4-9. Good job, Joe.
Nice. Good shot. Good shot.
Good shot, Ray. Look alive, Clayton, up top. Clayton, up top. Nice. Coop, great defense. Good job, Ray. Oh.
I don't know. Hey, good hustle.
Good hustle.
All right, Cooper, here we go. Big rebound. Let's go, boys.
Rebound, Blake. Big rebound.
Nice. Come on, boys.
23. Yeah, be alive here. Play tough. Get it, Blake.
Yeah, Mike. To the hoop.
Hustle. Blake, cut in there. Cut, cut. Hey, attack. Come get it. Come on. Play tough, guys. Tough. Aggressive. 16 seconds.
Straight up, Coop, straight up.
There you go. There you go, Ray.
Nice job. Way down. Keep those hands up. There you go.
5 seconds. 5. 5. Take it out. Cooper. Wait. Cooper. Take it out on the side. Raiden, right here. Wait. Blake, right in the middle. Raiden. Go.
5 seconds.
4. Open. Take ball right there. Tough, Blake, tough. Keep going. Garrett. Hey, Garrett. Inbound ball.
Just make sure.
So I can't pass it to him.
Blake, open. Get on it. Hey, here you go. Reno, in the ball. Super over here.
Put your arms down. Just play.
Follow it. Garrett, get the ball. Hurry. Play tough, Blake. Tough. Good job, Blake. Good job, Blake. Good job, Blake. Take it out. Blake. Get into there, Blake. Blake, come on.
Sorry. Yeah, so definitely put him in a... Oh, that's nice. Yeah, so definitely...
Yeah, let's go, Cooper. Let's go, Joe.
No, I don't.
Right, here we go, boys.
One shot, guys. Score, Joe. Nice. Got a kid. Nice. Go, Joe. Good man, Joseph.
Hello.
Nice shot. Oh, good. That's a good shot. This one's in, buddy. Good shot. Oh, follow it.
Hey, good battle, good battle.
23, guys. 23. Eli Ray Clifton. Good.
Can you check and see if
Give him the business. Built up. There you go.
Nice job. Oh.
Eli,
Good D, good D.
real good.
That's his fourth coach.
Ryan, did you hear that's 4 on you?
Good, Cooper.
Got Joe! Got Joe! Good job, Cooper. Good job, Cooper. Cooper, go on. 1-1. Yeah, Eli, be looking. Just be ready. Just stay right there.
Right there, that's good.
Right there, Skid.
Let's go, Coop.
Down, Eli. Three. Ripped it. Full court. Right now, stop.
Drop down, Joe.
Good job.
Let's go, let's get it, boys. Pretty close. I think he's got 4.
Go, Reed. Go. Get on the miss.
Nice job, Jep. Okay, hustle.
Good hustle. Way to get back.
A lot of time left.
Read it. Joe, get on the rebound. Get down.
Let's go, Coop. Jeff, you got this. He thought it was one-on-one. Silly. He's fired up. All right, here we go, boys.
Follow that, ref. Eli.
All right, Jeffy, go shoot it. 1-on-1.
You're shooting, Jeff.
All right, Jeff, you got this. Come on,
Go,
focus.
Jeff.
Put him in.
You got it.
How many fouls is it? 6 fouls?
Watch behind you, Eli. Get forward.
This game's gonna go slow now if every foul's a shot.
Yes, this is 1-on-1.
Because once you hit a certain number of team fouls, it goes to
rebound.
1. Yeah.
Good rebound. Let's go. Let's go with this way.
Coops and Jeff, it's yours.
this kid.
rebound.
There you go, blue ball.
Come on, guys. Hey, pick it out. Good, Joe, out there. All that. Nice. Oh, double. That's double. Long before that.
On who? So now when they go past a certain point, then it's 2 shots instead of 1-1.
Big rebound. Jeff Cooper, big rebound.
Let's go, boys, right here.
Come on, Jeff.
Big rebound. Forward, here we go.
Good job, Jeff.
Go, Joe. Joe, reach. Good job, Joe.
James Harden. Good job.
I think the team fouls are over the line.
Joe. All right, Joe. Buddy.
Let's go, Jeff. Coop, you got this. Here we go.
Lefty, turn around. Big board, guys.
Got that.
Get that, Joe. Get it. Oh.
Good, Jeff.
Hey, look at Joe.
Look up, look up, look up.
It's all right.
Crap, I can't watch. I have to watch through the thing. Yeah! Nice shot, nice shot. Hey, D.
It's all right. Get hustle, buddy.
Is that the one we should be fouling?
Everybody, all 4 rebound. All 4 rebound.
Okay, Jeff Cooper, rebound. Here we go. No. Shot.
Another one just like it.
Follow it, follow it. There you go, nice job, nice job. Here we go. Defense. Defense. Here we go. Be tough. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
23. Good job.
Got Joe! Got Joe!
Good Joe.
Joe, over here.
That's 5 on him. That's 5 fouls.
All right, here we go, Coop. Take your time.
Why did it say 56?
That means there's 56 seconds left. He makes things right. Wow. All right, here we go, Jeffrey boy. Rebound, rebound.
Come back to the 7 o'clock game.
Alright. Come on, Joe.
It goes every other. You all right, buddy?
Good hustle, Eli. Keep going. We need you.
All right, here we go. Cooper, Jeff. Be tough, boys. Box out.
Now, guys,
Just throw it up high. Just throw it up high to Cooper. It's all right. We'll take it. There you go.
put him in, Joseph.
You got this, Joe.
Go, Joe.
Put him in, Joe.
Go, Ty.
Get the rebound, Ty.
Here we go, Joe. Let's go. Jeff Cooper, be ready.
Hey, let's go, Ty. Box out. Get the rebound. Let's go.
Put it in, buddy.
flagrant means he didn't try to play the ball, he just tried to hit it.
Go! Everybody, come here! Hurry!
Go! Watch your kids! Come on! Sorry, I'm not trying to be mean.
No, I get it.
You shouldn't win it.
A flagrant foul? Flagrant. It was intentional. Absolutely. Well, when he's not by the ball and he hits the kid, that's pretty much flagrant.
Come on, guys, play ball. Let's go.
Strong post, strong post. Look at me, Eli. Give him room. Come on, Eli.
Cooper, just get your hands up. Just put it up over him.
Eli, go high. Nice save! Hey, play one, play one.
Come on, Ty.
This works great.
Nice job, Joe.
All right, boys. Tough D. It's all right. It's all right.
Play tough. Eli, no foul.
Don't foul.
Just play tough.
Tough D, just don't foul.
23. There you go, Joe.
That's more timeout. I don't mind. I like
No whammies.
Yeah, just alive there.